How to change or add a profile picture in Outlook. Hey guys and girls, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how you can change your pretty face up on the top right hand side of the screen when somebody sees an email from you. So let's go ahead. On the right hand side you'll see there is your account manager, and it normally has the initials of your name and surname. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and there's two ways of going about this. You can go into my profile over here, and it'll actually just take you into this page over here, or you can just go ahead and actually click on the profile picture and it says add or change your profile picture. It'll actually bring you to the exact same page. It'll just open this window over here. So once you're here, you're going to go ahead and tap on add a photo, and you can now add a photo from the cloud, or you can drop a photograph from your device. You just go ahead, tap on the blue add a photo at the bottom over here, and you can choose your photograph. And once you're done with your photograph, it will then be up and running, ready to go. There's a save button at the bottom. You can tap on that and your profile picture will be changed or added. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, drop it in the section below, and we'll see you next time. Cheerio.